Hi everyone, I'm again over here. Today I will teach you some tips that how you can make a mindset for spoken English. Basically, this video is for those person who belong from a rural background, there where you don't have any companion or person to speak with them. So how it is possible to manage their self for spoken English? So we will learn about this today because it's extremely important for spoken English, especially belonging from a rural area background person. These sort of things I faced during my initial days, and how I overcome from there, and how I started speaking English. That we will see here. Okay. And if you don't have any companion or friend in your nearby, or you do not belong the place where nobody speaks English, right? I mean, where everybody speaks English. So what you need to do? First, never consider that only environment can make you to speak English. Definitely, environment helps the people. Many people are over there who speaks English. So to being to being friends with them or to surrounded with them, it's a good thing. But if you don't have, on that condition, what you can do? Look, we can create environment in our mind. We can create environment in our mind. So think in your mind. Use your power of mind and make different sentences by taking a simple word meaning. In the beginning, you can start from simple word meaning like play. Play is a verb. You know, I play cricket. I do not play cricket. My friend like to play with me. I like to play chess with my friends. I mean, there are many games that I can play. Like this way, in the initial days, you need to make a sentences by using different type of word meaning. It's so simple, right? Actually, it's simple. People have created that it's hard for them, but it will take some days to make sentences using different word meaning. Gradually, you will realize how easy it is actually. The most important thing that I will suggest to you. Okay, so the most important thing that I will suggest to you I mean, write about writing. Write about any topic, guys. Come on, like you can write about your daily routine, and you can even take any type of topics to write. For example, like my school, right? I can explain like I teach in Sanskar English Medium School Jajapur or JBDAB School Sakti, whatever, and I teach different classes like class 10, 12, whatever, right? And my favorite subject is English. The school is first standard to 12th standard, like this, in a simple manner. Look, in the beginning, it is possible that the word that you actually wanted to use through your voice, it will hard in initial days to speak about that, but gradually you will be able to do that. So don't worry about it, guys. Topics such as the different type of topics you can also create, not necessary to create the topic like this. Anything like explain about your mobile. I have a mobile, operate me whatever mobile you use. I use for calling purpose. I make YouTube videos and I watch different knowledgeable and funny videos in YouTube by using simple mobile. So mobile, I use mobile in a different ways for calling, listening music, watching videos, watching knowledgeable videos, watching entertainment videos. I even watch movies sometime by using mobile. I like to use WhatsApp generally. I make reels. I post reels by using mobiles. So like this type of any type of topics, the things that you have or anything, just to explain about it. In initial days, it is possible that you won't be able to explain in a proper manner, but the time will come, you will explain everything, whatever you wanted to explain about that topic or that things. And not just explaining, writing about that topic will be very beneficial. Actually, when we write, then we actually think about different type of topics. While writing, even if you will see, we are thinking something, so it is also kind of the way that we are expressing ourselves. I mean, we are ultimately speaking. Speaking means to share your thoughts, right? To communicate means what? To share your thoughts. whether that is by writing or speaking doesn't matter. So if you even writing and you are able to share your thoughts, it means that you are halfway up speaking English, guys. Right? You are halfway up speaking English. Might because of people hesitate too much, so they won't be able to express themselves what they actually wanted to speak in English. So if you are able to writing, so I can say you are halfway up speaking English, right? Just you need to practice hard, practice with me, guys, and you will see the result very soon. The last but not the least, that is using a application that is based on AI tool like Gemini, Grok. These are the applications that will help you. You can even talk to them in English to English. Generally, I noticed the people who belong from a rural area, they have fear or hesitate to speak to someone, hesitate to share their thoughts. But using AI, talking with them, you will not actually hesitate with anyone. So using applications like Gemini and Grok will extremely helpful. Just install that, and there is a system that you can talk even in English, Hindi, whatever language that you wanted to use. Right, guys? So I told you about few tips how you can start, how you can remain, how you can start speaking English by using these tricks, and also connect with me, and whatever the problem you face in English, let me know so that I can make a video on that. Whether that will remain on grammar or anything doesn't matter, right? Let me know on comment section that in which topic of English you wanted to have a videos. I will make it. Thank you, guys.